Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be recapping a watch list that I posted today at pre-market and did a YouTube live stream last night. Show you guys how it went, show you guys how I found the zones and why they were able to work, and how you can replicate this into your trading so you don't need me to teach you for free on my Twitter. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off, I want to show you guys the Twitter. So right here you guys can see today is August 18th. Today we had Apple watching demand at 173.08 to 173.34, ready to play the flip if it happens. Amazon watching demand at 140.78 to 141.18. Tesla watching demand at 905.13 to 909.12. Now you're probably wondering, where are your supply zones? Simple, I didn't have any. I was not looking to play short today. I was mainly looking for long positions all morning. Today was a bit of a choppy day. We had a lot of false breakouts like you see here. We just overall just had a choppy morning where we bounced right off open, pulled back, bounced, pulled back, bounced, pulled back, bounced, pulled back. Very choppy upwards action that was very hard to navigate because contracts were moving very weird and they were stopping us out. Contracts were very choppy since it is Thursday, so the premiums were moving very weird, especially since it's Theta Thursday, meaning contracts start to decay a little bit more. So these harsh pullbacks here are putting you down 30, 40, 50% on your contracts, even if you entered all the way down here like we did today. This move up here gave us 25%. These two red candles here put us down 30%. So not a fun morning for me, at least, but you know, it happened. So moving forward, let's show you guys the actual chart. So demand at 173.08 to 173.34. So you guys could see here, I posted that demand. I posted this demand for you guys on my Twitter for free at Shinobi Signals. Go on to the hourly chart, you'll see why. We had a rally, pullback, small base, and rally again. This here created a demand. There were buyers present at this area. I provided the zone to you guys before the market even opened, and you guys could see how well this zone was respected today. It hit it twice. One time it hit 173.24, went all the way to 174.57, a $1 move. This would have put your contracts up so much. Pulled back harshly. Guess where it pulled back to? Our zone. And look where it hit after, 175 almost. So this would have given you the exact bottom 2 different times on the 5-minute chart, maybe even 3 if you consider this candle here. But this demand was super respected. Very good play, and this demand was very simple to find. We went on to the hourly chart. We looked for a rally base rally, and that's what we had here. Drew it out, and you can see how well it worked. Also, look at how crazy this mini downtrend we created today on the hourly. Next stock we're going to be looking at is Amazon. This was a crazy setup. Going on to the hourly again here, you guys are going to see we had a drop base rally setup, which constitutes for another demand. So we pull up here, 140.78 to 141.18. Here was the setup, and you guys can see how well that setup was respected. If we go into the 15-minute, you guys are going to see it broke under, but quickly buyers bought it back up, kept it above this price. This just seemed like a liquidation tactic, and then moved it to our price targets of 141.83, and then our price target of 143 wasn't hit, but it got very close. Got around 10-15 cents away. Doesn't matter. We were perfect on that bounce. That bounce was very well predicted. Main thing about this demand though is what you have to understand is when it comes to supply and demand, it's really just a game of cutting out the noise. When you're trading, when you're looking for different types of trades and whatnot, you have to understand that anything between your stop loss and your price target is just noise. Until you get a candle close on either side, it's all noise, and that's why you have to size properly when it comes down to these types of trades. You have to size properly, and you have to size according to your risk management, meaning you can see this type of this type of drawdown and not freak out and exit out of your play. Today I was a little too heavy. I got stopped once we broke 140.72. Honestly, a really good re-entry would have been here once we went red to green on this candle, but by that time I was already in a different position on Apple, which was up around 25-30%. So that was that for Amazon. This was also provided to you guys for free. Now the best one, the one that got away from me today, was Tesla. Tesla was the best setup in my opinion all day today. This was the best zone that performed. I'll show you guys why. Main reason we had this demand, first of all, was if we go on to the 30-minute here, you guys are going to see we had a rally base rally. So when you see a rally base rally like this, a huge rally like that, in fact, that is telling you, hey, there's a lot of orders that were left behind because it moved so aggressively off that level and super fast. There are tons of orders left at that level. You guys can see here, I said 905.13 to 909.12. We also had this trend on the hourly, this channel, and we were looking for a pullback into the zone for a long position. We get a pullback into the zone right down to the tick almost. We were around like 30 cents off the complete bottom, and it bounces up, and guess where our price target was? Our price target was this channel. Guess where it rejected? It doesn't get any better, guys. This is the type of super accurate analysis I'm teaching you guys, and I'm trying to teach you guys for free, let alone the mastermind. And this is stuff I'm going to be teaching you guys for free in the coming weeks. So make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys have your notifications on, because these are things I want to teach you guys. Obviously not many of you will pick it up because more of you guys need one-on-one attention. For that, check out my mastermind. First link in the description. Apply. You may or may not get accepted. It's a long application process, but we only want to pick up serious traders who actually want to take it to the next level. So make sure you guys check that out if you want to learn how we're able to get these super accurate things. And most people are like, oh, you know, it's easy to say after the fact. Go onto my Twitter, go look at my watch list, look at these comments. Apple was spot on, caught Tesla to a T. Amazon, like, look, everyone is catching these plays. Everyone is seeing this happen right in front of you. I'm posting these zones. I'm showing you guys how to take them on my YouTube videos for free, and then you guys are able to make money off of them. So I'm super happy that you guys are finding some sort of value on my Twitter and my YouTube. If you guys want to find even more value, check out the mastermind link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll be answering every single comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.